All right, boys and girls, here we are, day 3 of our November daily math. We're going to start with doing some rounding here. It says 398 is between which tens on a number line? 398. So again, it kind of tells us the answer, right? We look at our tens column, and I see a 9 there. So 390. So that's the low one. Okay, 390. And then one more 10 up is 400. Very good. Now it says round 398 to the nearest 10. So let's look at about where that would be. 395 would be halfway between 390 and 400. And then we'd say 96, 97, 98. So 398 would be like way over here, right? If I put a dot on there, somewhere around there. So what is that closer to? Is it closer to 390 or is it closer to 400? Yeah, it's closer to 400. And we can kind of look at that also as our little saying goes. We look back a place value from the tens column and we look at the 8. 4 or less, let it rest, which would bring us to 390. 5 or more, raise the score, and we go up to 400. Okay? All right. Number 3. Write these numbers up the stairs from the least to the greatest. So we're looking at the smallest number. And I see 300, 300. So they all start with 300. So we got to look at the tens column. There's a 7 and an 8. So the 7's smaller. And then there's a 6. So the 6 is smaller than either of those two. And then we're back to a 7. So 367 is the smallest number. Now we look at the next one. And there's 70s, 80s, and 70s. So it's going to be between these two. So we look at that and we see 76 and 71. 71 is smaller than 76. So our next number goes right there. And then we know that 376 goes here. And the largest number has the 8 in the tens column, which makes it the greatest number in that list. All right, use less than, greater than, or equal to. So we have 5 times 2, which is 10, 2 5s, right? And 10 times 0, if you remember the song, 0 my hero, that turns it to 0. All right, so let's read this left to right. 10 is greater than 0, right? Good job. Okay, here we go. There are 40 markers to share equally among 8 tables. How many markers does each table get? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's our 8 tables, right? And now we're going to start counting off our markers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. All right, so each of these tables has the same number of markers, right? So there's 5 on this table, 5 on that table, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So how many markers does each table get? 5, and the label is already done there for you. All right, don't forget to put in your score there, and we will see you tomorrow.